Inside the most expensive Empathy Suite Palms Casino Resort, LA. Whether you are a millionaire or not, there are a few things everyone would like to do once in a lifetime, such as owning a luxury car, owning a large house, and traveling to an expensive hotel room. You too desire these things in life, and please do let us know in the comment section. Have you ever encountered a reality such as, what does the most expensive hotel room in the world look like? And what services do they offer that are different from regular hotel rooms? Well, welcome back to Money Future. Today, in the next few minutes, I'm going to take you inside the most expensive Empathy Suite Palms Casino Resort. You may ask this, where is this most expensive hotel located? Well, located at Palms Casino Resort in Las Vegas, known as the Empathy Suite, 34 flats above the Vegas Strip, and designed by a modern British artist, world-famous Damien Hirst, and overlooking the famous American City Boulevard. The art at the resort is reserved for a $2 million overnight casino with a princess fee of $200,000 US. Very expensive, isn't it? The most expensive room in America, winning one at the Mark Hotel, previously held a prize of $75,000 a night. And Empathy is one of the most expensive resorts in the world, according to the Palms. Actually, it may be more expensive than the Royal Penthouse Suite at the President Wilson Hotel in Geneva, about $80,000 per night, which was the world's most expensive house before Empathy Suite Palms. Empathy Suite was formerly known as the Hugh Hefner Suite, and in 2012, according to CNN Travel, ranked number 5 on the list of most expensive hotel rooms. Originally $40,000 per night, a new luxury renovation has prompted a $60,000 price increase. All 6 Palm Sky houses were renovated as part of a $690 million hotel upgrade, first established in 2001 and now owned by the Fertitta brothers at Casino Casino. Some vias range from $25,000 to $50,000 per night. Damien Hirst made this the world's most expensive hotel, upstairs of the 40-story Palms Casino Resort, overlooking the glittering lights of the Las Vegas Strip. It's called Empathy Suite, and it cost $200,000 over a weekend. Men and women were hauling caviar from canned truck wheels. First things first, in addition to the artwork, your money can earn you 9,000 square feet of living space distributed in 2 stories in this hotel. Overwhelmed by the amount of space that they provide? Well, it's only the start. There's a lighted jacuzzi overlooking the Vegas line with a 24-hour service, top reception facilities, private back-of-the-way tour, drive-in car service, access to the list for daytime and nightclubs, and a recording studio. Oh, and the $10,000 credit you can use on site. Sounds perfect to spend a night here with your date, doesn't it? The suite itself houses a 13-seat curved bar created by Hirst and filled with medical waste, a contrast to the meticulously ordered pill cabinets dotted around the place. Hanging at its center is Hirst's 2018 Here for a Good Time, Not a Long Time, featuring 2 vitrines, one with a marlin skeleton and the other with a taxidermy marlin. Not for the faint of heart, then. Elsewhere, there's also a gym, salt salon, and 2 guest lounges with 50-plus guest furniture designed by Hirst. And there are 5 other original Hirst works with dots throughout this item, including his most famous one. So the next time you are in Vegas and want to remember the hangover in a real breakdown, there is only one place you can consider. But if you do not have 2 big ones left over, Palms is equally mixed, but less expensive options to choose from. From high-end home furniture to wall-painted butterfly sculptures from Hirst's first London show in 1991, the hotel room is home to 6 items featuring artist signatures, each showing its amazing exploration of death as a central theme. One of them is the Winner/Loser, a white tank with 2 suspended male sharks. The inclusion from his most outstanding series incorporates animal carcasses into thighs filled with formaldehyde. Properly positioned on the wall, a work of art is placed behind the colorful pool table in the game room, greeting guests as they enter the space. Hirst artworks are the most iconic journey of her portraits, which will later appear on the back of your obscure photographs. Taken together, the jobs cost about $10 million. It includes a diamond pill cabinet full of medicine, a medicine cabinet work, a series of butterfly works, and a large piece with a shark. The 2 Dead Sea deer and formaldehyde are near the door, ready to greet visitors who cut the cost of Ivy League education over the weekend in Sin City. In addition to these outstanding works set in various areas of the suite, art fans will also be thrilled to find that Hirst was personally involved in designing all the rooms of the home with fabrics that reflect his signature designs. For example, 104 stone butterflies are housed in a modern marble suite, which gives a modern feel inside. There's also a glass bar. The glass bar inside the Empathy Suite is actually a case full of over 100 pounds of medical waste. Art piece by Damien Hirst, who designed the suite, which he calls medical waste. By now you must be wondering, who lives here in this expensive hotel? Some celebrities, some royalty from abroad, but especially those who live in this fantasy suite are whales. Weird, isn't it? Like, what rubbish am I talking about? Whales live here. Don't they live in the ocean? Well, I'm not talking about those whales. Whales are what they call the high rollers at the Vegas casino. They are the ones who are known for hard betting, like $300,000 in one-hand baccarat, and continue to bet that way. In return for their loyal game, these whales are given matching suites like empathy. But not everyone has access to it. You must first qualify as a $1 million player and check the background and credit. Those who choose to book the empathy suite say foreign dignitary and artistic fan of Damien Hirst. You should also check the background and deposit a $10,000 deposit when you enter. Piano singer Alicia Keys lived here with her husband, but that is public because the pop music star is informing her fans on social media. The management of the casino is very secretive about who lives among their high-profile celebrities. The attraction of an expensive suite is the luxury of knowing your secrets never go away. The suite, Hearst designed by the construction from Bintel & Bintel, is very high, very nasal, and for some, guarded. If you dedicate yourself to it, the luxury of Las Vegas, its beauty, there's no more fear, no more hatred, and the whole spectacle becomes kind of passing. Every artist's traits, life and death, art and money, extravagance and self-control, luck and skill, exist in a way that has never been seen before. Perhaps Hearst has finally found a medium equal to his vision, and it is the sky floor in the city that holds the black mirror of the funhouse up to the American dream. Interestingly, there's a different kind of gambling controversy in Palms, led by art collectors Frank and Lorenzo Fertitta. Casino giants born in Vegas between 2016 and 2017 sold the Ultimate Fighting Championship network to Ari Emanuel's Endeavor for a reported fee of $4 billion. In 2016, they announced plans to buy Palms, then set about $690 million reservations, and decided to turn their off-strip space into a place where art is not just a decoration or just a gimmick, but actually essential for a hotel. The Fertittas met Hearst because the artist, and this is a very popular brand for him, is a well-known UFC fan. As expected, he got to know the owners. The opening of the suite was timely on a trip Hearst had already planned in Vegas to attend the Jon Jones-Anthony Smith fight on Saturday at the UFC's Octagon at T-Mobile Arena, which Jones won. In September 2016, the Fertitta brothers, collectors of Hearst for more than a decade at that time, asked the artist if he had any jobs for the hotel. Hearst presented them with an award. Anonymous, Explored, Explained, Exploded from 1999, a shark and formaldehyde image from the same series of natural history, which began with his irrefutable masterpiece, The Physical Impossibility of Death in the Mind of the Living Man from 1991. That work had become the domain of the unknown, a bar designed entirely by Hearst and fell into the middle of the gambling dens. At the top of the marble bar, a large sea monster is cut into 3 pieces, hanging from the same glass case, its corpse with a machete approaching as guests are unloaded from craps tables and immersed in a bar. Surrounded by a series of Hearst dots painted on exterior walls. Coasters dot Hearst dots, its swing sticks insert Hearst dots, and matchsticks are covered with Hearst dots. What amazes me is that the Fertitta brothers took on the artwork of this artist in public, showing off the laxity and stigma of the art market. For many, Hearst is a boy who shows the world where a dead shark is portrayed as selling art. For millions, and putting it in a casino, or fortune-telling and losing luck, or a bad dice. Palms is in the process of its $620 million renovation, the largest resort renovation in Vegas history. The suite provides a once-in-a-lifetime Las Vegas stay. Let me know if after watching this video, would you like to explore this place on your own? So guys, that's all for today's videos, and if you like this video, then give the video a thumbs up and smash that subscribe button so that you will never miss any updates.